Okay, picking up where I left off. Message me if there's some of these things that you're like, oh, that's cool, let me see it, let me hold it. We can make arrangements. I've decided my business model is being bad at business. Oh yeah, I should probably have my... Yep, just what I suspected. Ooh, it's fragile. Look, that's inside. This person, it's already an open pack, so I knew that going on. The person advertised, it's open, I touched the things. I made sure that they're okay. Look at that. Look at that. They're so big, so clunky. My God, there's no need for this. Oh, I just had to touch that Wonder Woman, I think. It's actually a better looking one than the one individually wrapped. Sometimes I just want to see something for myself, you know? I didn't oh God. The little sticker on the outside of the box. Oh, I didn't have a Marvel Universe Blade figure back when I was collecting Marvel Universe figures, because they don't make them anymore. It was easy to kind of complete a collection. Oh God, forbid anyone actually complete a collection, right? It's just not possible. Well, when they stop making a series, it's easy. You can... This was getting caught on the plastic bag. I really wish they hadn't bagged it the way they did. That just seems inconsiderate. Well, he said he opened it before. So maybe he opened it on this side? Oh yeah, look at that. It's open. So he opened it. I mentioned that in the listing. When I made the offer, I made sure that I said I read the listing before I offered. So that they knew. Oh. She's chunky, but there's no definition. Her bosoms aren't out. I don't think I care for this. This is all sorts of disappointing. There's no saving that. There's no saving that. There's no point to that. Let me... Okay, so to compare this, contrast this to a Wonder Woman, who I don't necessarily like the face. She's still pretty awesome. Look how thick she is, right? Similar thigh, similar behind, but look, actual definition in the cheeks, and a little bit of bosom on the top. You can make out the bosom. This is like the Batman Superman series. They're all super thick like this. That's one of my favorite series. Even her. You can get her a dime a dozen, probably bootleg from China, right? Even she's got a little bit of going on in her cheeks. And definitely in the bosoms. What do I do with this? She's completely matronly. Athletic, but what's the point? And that face. This is supposed to be an older Wonder Woman. Her hair looks great. But there's no justification for having her in my collection. So, consider this gone. Well, how disappointing was that? Packaging on this thing, man, dude. Loosen up just a little bit. Holy cow. Just a little bit. Did you really have to damage this by wrapping it so tightly? This right here. Wrapping it so tightly? Seriously? Well, there you have it. Kind of disappointing. I mean, she just isn't what she should be. Wonder Woman is Diesel. They shouldn't shy away from that. That'll do.